Unrevealing secret of why most fishermen choose NuovaFil's crab or fish pots. NuovaFil crab or fish pots are designed with the modern fisherman in mind, combining durability, efficiency, and ease of use features. Secrets about NuovaFil crab or fish pots: rock-solid, rust-proof, customizable maintenance support. Secrets about NuovaFil crab or fish pots: collapsible heavy-duty polyester netting, unparalleled durability, user-friendly. Catch more, stress less, elevate your crabbing game with NuovaFil. Contact us today to explore your customization options and discover the perfect pot for your needs. For immediate assistance, WhatsApp us at +91 7708805775 +91 98431344420. Mail us at contact@nuovafil.com. Visit us at www.nuovafil.com.